Hello, welcome back to another video in Expand Production App series. Today we will be exploring the stock routing feature available in the app, helping you optimize your production process efficiently. Let us walk through the step-by-step guide to use the stock routing feature in the app. First, open the app and click on the triple bar option. Select stock routing and a new screen will appear. Choose your operator from the available options. Go to the Stock From tab and click on the Add button. A search product screen will pop up. Select your desired product and input the quantity. Click OK. Next, head to the Part-2 tab and click the Add button. Another search product screen will appear. Select your product, type the actual output quantity and click on OK. Once everything is entered correctly, click Save to generate a summary. Double check your entry in the summary and if they are accurate, click Save again. You can see the entry made in the ERP also. Thanks for watching. For more details, please visit our website www.expanderp.com.